making tonight? Ma?
Some fish.
Fish. We call it's like a fillet of fish, right?
Yes.
So many people have requested us to have her make this, especially the people who've tried this fish, and it's a great fish to serve on Christmas Eve too, right, Ma?
Anytime.
Anytime, especially on Fridays. We usually eat this on Fridays. Who taught you how to make this?
By myself.
By yourself? Oh. And what kind of fish is this?
Really, it's a sole fillet.
Sole fillet. Okay. So, and it has, you said it has to be thin, right?
It's like this.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. And what's the ingredients that we need?
Parsley.
Parsley.
Garlic.
Garlic.
I put some seasoning.
Seasoning. Fish seasoning.
Yeah.
Okay, so some
garlic,
seasoning.
salt.
Garlic salt. If you don't have garlic salt, you can use garlic powder or real garlic.
No, I use both.
Oh, use both.
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper.
That's it.
You got olive oil, salt, breadcrumbs. Okay. So
really, because I don't like it's too big. I'm gonna cut it half.
You're gonna cut this in half. Okay.
And I put it like this. I'm gonna put parsley.
Parsley.
Okay, that's enough. I use the fresh garlic.
Fresh garlic. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put some garlic, this one.
Garlic salt, and if you don't have garlic salt, because you can only find that here in California,
You could put any
you can use garlic powder.
lemon and
Call from Israel Intel.
What is that?
Call from
lemon
Good.
and
Lemon pepper. It smells good.
this one is the other one, just a little.
This is just a fish seasoning, right?
Yeah.
So this is just a fish seasoning. What's it called? Santa Maria
Yeah, that's a come over here.
seasoning. So
That's for fish anyway.
for fish. This is a fish seasoning. Okay, and then pepper.
Some little pepper. I don't put them as you want to put it. That's it. I'm going to put olive
Olive oil.
for now. I'm going to do
By hand.
by hand.
And mix everything around. Just gonna add some lemon too. The lemon tastes so good with this fish.
E dopo ce lo metto sopra quando hai cotto.
Yeah, I
Just a
know.
little
So
bit.
she's gonna squeeze some lemon
That's it. Just a little bit.
for now.
So you want to cut it to like this too. Let it stay inside.
Smells good.
That's all. That's it.
Okay, and then you're gonna put it in the fridge to let it marinate for a couple hours. Okay, it's been marinating for 2 hours. Here it is.
Okay. Now we need breadcrumbs.
Go.
Just a little bit flour.
Just a little bit of flour.
Then you mix it.
Did you turn on the oven?
Yes,
Do you have to preheat it to what temperature?
maybe at 375, 380.
380.
Depend your stove. Mine have to put high.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Now we're gonna turn it again. Like this. Oh no, I have to put it.
Just gonna mix it all up.
Yeah. Give me the oil, please. Okay, now put some oil on the butter. The pan. Okay, you do like this.
You don't have to use eggs?
No. But you want to, you want. Now it's a little while. I don't use it.
We don't use egg because we have a child who's allergic to eggs. So if you want to add egg, you can add.
You beat the egg.
And you mix it in with that.
I think it's come better like this.
Okay, she doesn't like to. She thinks it comes out better without eggs. Without using eggs.
Just a little bit, not good too much.
There we go. Can I see? Look.
Now we're gonna do like this.
Oh, and then she slices onion. Then she slices lemons.
I put on top.
I like
Just-
the taste of lemon on there.
Just a little bit. Or you could put it on after it's cooked. When they put on the table,
Or you
Put
can,
on,
yeah,
yeah.
but you do it before. I like it before.
well, just a little bit, just. Wow, it's so hard, this one. It's got to no juice at all. Okay, you have to put some oil.
Oh, oil on top?
That's it.
Yummy. I love this fish.
Oh, it's good.
So
Crumbs.
tender and soft and with so much flavor.
And you cover.
And you cover it.
And you put on the oven.
Well, okay, wait. What? You put it on
let me see.
395.
No, it's too high.
It's too high. Okay, so you're gonna turn
Oh.
it down. 380.
Because now
Okay.
we're.
On 380. She preheated the oven on bake. The second level from the bottom. Close it.
Okay.
And how long do you cook for?
For more than half an hour.
More than half hour. Okay, so about
That's
30 to
it.
40 minutes?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, so we'll check back. We put it in that.
Yeah, that's it. After we're gonna check it, we see.
And do you flip the fish
No.
at all? You leave it like that? Mm-hmm. Okay, there's no turning?
No,
Okay, perfect. Okay.
just a check. Oh, it's
Ooh,
not
look
bad.
how pretty, Ma. Can I see? Look, it's starting to turn golden.
Yeah.
Okay, is it almost done?
No,
Oh. Oh, so you don't have to cover up so much anymore.
no, it's okay.
Okay. So you see how she just plopped it on there? It doesn't have to be so covered anymore. Oh, she opens it a little bit. That's a trick, huh?
She doesn't dry it up.
Oh, so it doesn't dry up. That's why she took off the cover a little bit. Okay, so it's 5:48.
That's why I put a convention now.
Oh, she took off the cover. Ma, see, she's sneaky. When
You
did she
have
take off
to.
the cover?
Because they let it cook fast.
Is it done?
No, I don't know.
It's been already
Io lo faccio
6:05.
nice and slow.
nice and slow. So she took off the cover. So she must have took off the cover probably like 10 minutes ago.
See, mag 10 minutes ago.
When did you take off the cover?
Don't need 5 minutes.
Oh, look how nice that looks.
Nothing is good.
How do you know when it's cooked? You have to taste it?
It can be a little bit quick.
Is it cooked?
I think so.
How do you know when it's cooked?
I think it's good.
Oh, when it's flaky.
Yeah, I think it's good.
It's flaky, so when it's flaky, that's when you know it's cooked. Right, Ma? And it's nice and golden brown. So it's been cooking for exactly
Could be more cooked.
40 minutes.
Could be more too.
Oh, you're gonna put it in more? Oh.
Let's go there for 2 minutes.
And why are you slicing lemons?
Because I want to put on top of the fish.
Oh, so she's cutting lemon to put on top of the fish. Okay. To make it look pretty and for taste.
We're gonna figure it out. That's it.
Okay, so it's, oh my God, it's been 45 minutes, so she just shut off the oven.
So come on now.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
How do you know when it's ready?
Look a nice.
Oh, yes. Look, nice in color right over here. Pretty. Oh, and then you decorate it with lemon. Pretty.
Community dialysis clinics, that's a lot. These are corporate profit centers making billions of dollars.
Is that it, Ma?
That's it.
Yes, honey.
Here, hold it up for me.
A mangiare.
A mangiare.
Buon
Nonno's here
appetito.
too. He's already eating. He didn't even wait for us.
Yummy.
What kind of wine are you drinking today? Is this from Molise?
Chianti.
Chianti. Is this from Molise, this wine?
No, it's from no.
Do you drink wine and eat bread at every meal?
I need a wine for sure. The bread, if fresh, it's good. Otherwise,
You can skip it?
I can
I've
skip
never
the bread.
seen you skip bread or wine. Okay, Nonna, can you put some on my plate? I want a big piece. And don't forget to put a piece of lemon on it too. Thank you, that's my favorite fish. How nice it looks inside too.
you want me to feed you?
No.
Oh, ma tu sta delendo. Ci should fall?
Ma, you made this really good. It's really tender with a lot of flavor. Really good.